Ladies, I have been getting stopped everywhere, at church, at the gym, at work, and everyone just keeps saying, girl, your hair is so gorgeous, it's so pretty, who did your hair? And y'all, I could just simply just smile and say thank you, because this isn't my hair. This is a wig, and when I tell you this wig has changed everything, it literally has, from boosting my confidence to also saving me time getting ready in the morning. So sis, if you want a wig that looks like it is growing from your scalp and also saves you time in the morning and some coin, then definitely keep on watching, because this is the wig for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. This wig is from Luvme Hair. This is their 10-inch light yaki blunt cut straight bob. I will have the exact link down below in the description box so you guys can check this unit out for yourselves. It does say this wig has undetectable HD lace, and I will say the lace is very undetectable. And I will also include a clip so you guys can see how it was for my first time installing this wig. But I'm just going to show you guys today how I reinstall this wig every morning. It literally takes me 5 to 10 minutes max when it comes to reinstalling this unit. It just cuts down on my time and I just love it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So you guys, I already have the lace tinted. I used my Ruby Kisses cream foundation to tint the lace so that way I can get that nice scalp illusion. And the first thing that I'm going to do is take the elastic band and we're going to place that on the back of the nape. Elastic band, I'm going to pull it down right on the back of the nape section. Just so you have the elastic band across the bottom of your nape, you're going to take the back of the wig and pull it down over the elastic band. So the wig should be now over top of the elastic band. This is what it literally looks like every morning when I place the wig on my head. I'm gonna just show y'all right now. I'm gonna do a shake test and show you guys that without me putting any of the combs in, this wig is not going nowhere. It's not sliding anywhere. But if you just want that extra security, you can go in and place that comb on the sides. So, and then I just want to give you guys a close-up of this lace. Like, where is it? I don't see it. Tell me where the lace is at. Tell me where it's at. Point it out to me. Let me know. Can you find the lace? 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 Like, I just love how undetectable this lace is. And again, if you wanted to go in and add some wig spray, you could. I would definitely recommend the Kiss Colors wig spray. I will link this one down below. It does give a really good hold. That I do after I have gotten the wig positioned on my head, I just like to take a rat tail comb, and the first thing that I'm going to do is just comb the unit in the direction that I want all the hair to, and just make sure that my part looks good. Most of the time I don't have to do anything to readjust the part. But if I feel like I want to clean the part up a little bit more, I'll just take my rat tail comb and just go through the part, make sure everything is to my liking. And what I'm doing now is just extra steps. Like, honestly, all I do is comb, either take a comb, or I like to take my handy dandy small little paddle brush, and I'll just brush the wig to my liking, make sure everything is nice and together, and that's literally it. That is the install. Literally 5 minutes, if that, to put it on, adjust it, and brush it, and you're ready to walk out the door. You don't have to do no extra. The way that I have been wearing this unit every day is, what I'll do is I'll comb the front section, and I'll take my finger and slightly push the front behind my ear. And then it kind of creates this like swoop effect. And this is how I like to wear it every day. And the reason why I do this is because I wear glasses. So sometimes it'll just keep getting in my face and that gets a little annoying. So I like to do the little swoop. So that is another option. You can wear it without the swoop, just have the hair all down and give that nice little sultry illusion, or you can give it a more, you know, chic, classy look and swoop the hair behind the ear and give you a nice little swoop. And this just gives me, I'm ready for my day, like I'm ready to slay. The boss lady is here, she has arrived. Like, that's how I feel when I put this wig on. And that's literally all you have to do to this unit. Like, I love it so much. Like the texture, the body, the lightweightness of it. Like this wig is so full but feels so lightweight at the same time. Like you just cannot beat it. And the price, baby, the price is so unmatched. Like it's very reasonable and affordable for this unit. I mean, honestly, I would honestly pay a little more. I'm not gonna lie, but we gonna keep that on the hush because we don't want Love Me to hear that. But yeah, y'all, this wig, y'all gotta go grab this wig.